Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss about the topic that is defects of vision. As you know that human eye is the gift provided by Almighty Allah, and human eye is meant for the purpose of vision. This human eye involves different defects of vision. There are generally three main defects of vision. Three main defects of vision. Number first is myopia. Number second is hypermetropia, and number third is presbyopia. These are the three defects of vision. So we will one by one discuss about these defects of vision. Number first is myopia. Myopia is also called as nearsightedness. Nearsightedness or short-sightedness. Myopia is that defect of vision in which a person can easily see the nearby objects, whereas it cannot see the far objects. So myopia is an defect in which a person can see near objects clearly but cannot see distant objects clearly. This myopia is caused due to there are two main reasons for the myopia. So reasons for myopia. Myopia is caused due to two reasons. Number first reason is due to eyeball being too long. यानी ये मायोपिया उन लोगों में होता है जिनकी आई बॉल ज्यादा लॉन्ग होगी, एलिवेटेड आई बॉल होगी. नंबर सेकंड इज ड्यू टू हाई कन्वर्जिंग पावर or due to high focal length of eye lenses. Now in this myopia, you know that it is caused due to eyeball being too long and due to high converging power or due to high focal length of an eye lens. So because of these two reasons, when the light rays coming from an object enters into the human eye, the parallel beam of light meets before the retina. So in order to see this object, this myopic person needs a concave lens, because concave lens decreases its focal length. As a result, the image or the light rays will meet on the retina. So this myopia is corrected by the correction of myopia. It is corrected by the use of concave lens. So it is corrected by the help of concave lens. So this was about the myopia. Now second defect of vision is hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is also known as long-sightedness or far-sightedness. So in hypermetropia, a person can see near objects clearly but cannot see the distant objects, near objects clearly but can see the distant objects clearly. So यहाँ पे एक पर्सन जो दूर के ऑब्जेक्ट्स है वो क्लियरली देख पाता है और नजदीक के ऑब्जेक्ट्स वो क्लियरली नहीं देख पाता, उसको ज्यादा लॉन्ग साइटेडनेस होती है. सो इट इज इन दिस डिफेक्ट ऑफ विजन पर्सन कैन सी distant objects clearly but cannot see near objects clearly. अब हाइपरमेट्रोपिया के भी दो रीजन है. रीजन ऑफ हाइपरमेट्रोपिया, First reason is due to eyeball being too short. Due to eyeball being too short. और second जो है that is due to less converging power or small focal length of eye lenses. So यहाँ पे क्या है, हाइपरमेट्रोपिया में आई बॉल शॉर्ट होता है और यहाँ पे जो लाइट रेज है दे मीट बिहाइंड द रेटिना. So in order to meet these light rays on the retina, we have to increase its converging power or we have to increase its focal length. For that purpose, a convex lens is used. So hypermetropia is corrected by the help of convex lens. Correction of hypermetropia. It is corrected by the use of convex lens. So this was about myopia and hypermetropia. In next lecture we will discuss about presbyopia and another defects or another terms related with the human eye. Thank you. Have a nice day.